Hi friends, I am Kizar. In today's lecture we are going to learn about how to add quiz in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This lecture is going to be a very fascinating. Actually it is super important for the teachers. Now teacher have a chance to check the student understanding at the end of the lecture. Let's see how we can add quiz in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now first of all, you have to update your office to Microsoft 2020. When you update your office to Microsoft 2020, that in insert bar you have an option of forums. Now click on forums. As I click on forums, in right pane it will open a new short window. Here I have two options, new form and new quiz. We want to add the quiz. Here is a list of your previous quiz. You can add the quiz from them, like in this quiz, untitled quiz. If I click on insert, it will insert the quiz in my presentation. And here is an option of edit. You can edit your previous quiz. Now in this video we want to add a new quiz. First click on new quiz. It will redirect to the Microsoft Forums window. As it opens Microsoft Forum in Windows, you have this type of outlook. First of all, name your quiz. Like I want to name it like daily teachings, daily teachings, and enter the description, PowerPoint learning. Now we have done with the title. Now we want to add our first question or our first quiz. Here is the button add new. Click on. Here is giving you the multiple choices, like you want to add the choice question, text, rating, date. I want to add multiple choice. Now type your question, like which PowerPoint tool we are learning in this video. I have added the question which PowerPoint tool we are learning in this video. Here is an option 1, screen recording. Option 2, add quiz. We can add more options, like option 3, dictate, and you can add as many options as you want. Now you can select the right answer by clicking this tick icon. It will help you when the student take the quiz. If they mark the wrong answer, then this option will show them that here is a correct answer. Now you can add another. You can add now text, add rating, means at the end of the quiz you can add the rating mark, means like if I click on it, you can say please rate our quiz. Rate our quiz. Now students have the option of the, means they can rate you the 1 star, 2 star, 4 star, 5 star. It's up to you how much level you want. Is 5 star, and there is an also option of numbers and also option of a star. In this way you can add the quiz in PowerPoint presentation. And here is an option of required. If you enable this option in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, it will show the star on this quiz that this is mandatory to answer this question. Now we have to switch to our Microsoft PowerPoint window. Now you can see the quiz we have added it as it is added this window, like this. Question number 1. Where is the question? Now Now you can see the quiz we edited in Microsoft Forums is edited as it is in our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Here student can respond the answers like which PowerPoint tool we are learning in this video. Let's pause. I select the wrong answer and I want to rate it 5 star and submit it. View results. Like it is saying that I got 0 points because there is only one question in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and the right answer was the add quiz. And in this way you can add the quiz in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching. If you like our video then please subscribe to our channel